Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a super cool and compact electric bike that's perfect for city riders, commuters, and weekend adventurers, the NAVIC 750 watts peak folding e-bike for adults. Right pointing finger emoji. Before diving in, make sure to check the link in the description below to get this e-bike today at the best discounted price. Limited stock and deals won't last long. Package emoji, unboxing and first impressions. So out of the box, the NAVIC folding electric bike is already 90% assembled, which is a big win if you're not super handy. Setup took me less than 15 minutes. It features a 14 inches frame with a sleek, urban design, perfect for adults of all sizes. The folding mechanism is easy to use and makes it super convenient for storage or tossing in the trunk. High voltage sign emoji, power and performance, surprisingly zippy. This thing may look compact, but don't let that fool you. It comes with a 750 watts peak motor, which delivers strong acceleration and torque, perfect for urban commuting and light hills. The top speed is 22 miles per hour, and yes, I tested it, and it really hits that mark on flat roads. Range-wise, it features two battery options, 499.2 watt-hours or 749 watt-hours, offering up to 40 miles on a single charge depending on terrain and rider weight. It's got 3 modes. Pure electric. Pedal assist. Manual, pedal only. Whether you're in chill cruise mode or need a boost on inclines, it handles like a champ. Battery emoji, battery and charging. The removable battery is a big plus, charge it at home or at the office. It takes about 4 to 6 hours to fully recharge. You also get a clear LCD display showing speed, battery level, and riding mode, simple but effective. Wheel emoji, ride comfort and build. I was honestly surprised by how smooth the ride was for a 14-wheeled e-bike. The tires have a good grip, and the dual disc brakes respond quickly, even when going downhill. It's got rear suspension, a strong steel frame, and weighs around 59 pounds, manageable for most adults, especially since it folds for easy transport. Luggage emoji, who's it for? This is the ideal e-bike for city commuters who want to avoid traffic and save on gas. Students who need something compact and easy to store. Casual riders who want an eco-friendly and fun way to get around. It's also IPX4 water resistant, so light rain won't stop you. Checkered flag emoji, final verdict. So, is the NAVIC 750 watts folding electric bike worth your money? White check mark emoji, absolutely. You're getting solid power, excellent portability, long range, and smart features, all at a price that's hard to beat. Whether you're commuting daily or just exploring your city on weekends, this e-bike delivers great value and real-world performance in a lightweight, foldable package. Right pointing finger emoji. Once again, check out the link below to grab yours today at the best deal available. Don't wait, these tend to sell out fast. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments if you want to see a road test or comparison with other e-bikes.